What's up folks, my name is Felix, welcome back to this video. Today we are going to talk about Stasis network because the dApp is now live and I want to give you an introduction on how you can put your STS tokens to work, what options do you have, and also how you can potentially redeem your NFT or put those rewards directly into the single staking. Without further ado, you want to get right into it. And let's first take a look on the chart because the token did very well in the last hours. As we can see here, it's around 50% up from the launch price. So if you would now sell your tokens, you would have an instant 40% profit from the pre-sale price. Did I personally take advantage of this rising token price? No, I put all my tokens into the farming pools, and also the STS Plus token, which is the appreciating stablecoin, did a very well performance, as you can see here in the last 24 hours, over 50%. But of course, there was not much volume yet. I just wanted to show you how the token prices did since the project launched around 12 to 16 hours ago. Now we want to jump over to the Stasis network dashboard, which is very clean, very easy to understand. And I want to give you now a step-by-step guide how you can put your tokens to work. So this is basically the dashboard where you can see the market caps or total value locked of the single staking and the both of the farms. And we can see here most of the total value locked is currently in the single staking farm with over 550,000 US dollars. In the STS Medic farm there are 80,000, and in the STS and STS Plus farm around 45,000. They also integrated a cross-chain function where you can bridge your funds to the Polygon network or back to Ethereum or Arbitrum. And they also have a trade function here where you can basically purchase STS token, STS Plus token, and all the other stuff on the Polygon network here, and then create your LP tokens. That's what we want to talk about right now, because to put your funds to work, you have to create these LP tokens. I, for example, put all my funds into the STS Medic pool because Medic is on a huge discount. If we take a look on the current market price, I, for example, purchased my Medic tokens down here at 57 cents and then paired them with the STS token in the farm. How do you do that? You basically got your STS tokens airdropped if you purchase them into the pre-sale. If you want to purchase them now, you just use this trade function up here and then you just click on max, and your STS tokens will be paired with the same amount of Medic tokens. And once you created this LP here, so you just click on make LP, you have to approve your tokens and then confirm it. And once you created this pair, you just go to the farming section and deposit your LP pair. For example, as you can see, I have currently 2,500 US dollars in value working in the STS Medic farm. And if you want to go into the STS Plus farm, you just click on deposit up here. If you don't want to make a pair, you can put your STS tokens into the single staking farm. Almost the same process. You just come to the staking section, go on stake tokens, then you just click on max, and then it chooses all the tokens you have available on your wallet. You just click on approve and then confirm it, and then your tokens will start to work. There is currently no APY and no APR displayed because there are still some bugs which they will fix over the next couple days. So we have to be a little bit patient, but it should be around 50 to 75% APY, which we get in those farms. Of course, in the early days, these APYs are way higher than later. So if you want to take advantage of this, you might want to take your funds immediately to work. Then the last thing I wanted to show you are the NFTs. I, for example, purchased one of these NFTs. The first thing I wanted to show you, if you want to sell your NFT, so basically redeem it, you just click on it, click on redeem, then there comes this caution. You will be charged a 20% fee paid in STS. If you want to sell your NFT, you just click on confirm. In this case, I of course don't want to sell my NFT because I want to get these rewards and those airdrops. And all these rewards I can put directly into the single staking. I just have to click in this box, and once my rewards show up, which should be once a week, they will be put directly into the single staking pool. Your rewards should show up here and earn you the APY, which is not displayed yet. And these are already all the functions you can use on the current dApp. One last thing I wanted to show you is we jump over to the white paper, the guild, because If you hold at least 300 US dollars in Stasis token, you will be one of the guild members and you will get exclusive services, opportunities, giveaways, and protocol updates. And if you want to be one of the whales in this project, you had to purchase at least 5,000 US dollars in the pre-sale. Now it should be around 7,500, so 500,000 STS token, and then you can basically confirm this by the color blend function on their Discord. So this will get the data from your wallet, and then you will be confirmed a whale and will be in a special category on their Discord. And then you will probably have some more incentives if this is interesting for you. That should already do it for this update today. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section. If you like today's video, it would be great if you can hit the like button. If you don't want to miss future update videos, you might want to subscribe. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and let's get this crypto.